Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the environment and creating the project. Install Django now, then create a new project using Django admin start project. Once done, enter the project folder and activate the app pattern, Python manage. Py start app core, make sure settings. Py is accessible. By default, Django uses a Sqlite 3, so do not change databases yet. Next, run Python manage. Py migrate to initialize the Sqlite file and confirm DB. Sqlite 3 appears in the project root. You will now connect your models to the Sqlite database and run migrations. Edit models. Py in your app and register the app in installed apps, then run Python manage. Py make migrations and Python manage. Py migrate. Once migrations complete, Django writes schema to DB. Sqlite 3. To interact, use Python manage. Py shell to create objects, or use the admin after creating a superuser with Python manage. Py create a superuser. Make sure to commit migrations and keep DB. Sqlite 3 backed up for development workflows. Finish by preparing the project for deployment and understand Sqlite limits. Collect static files and adjust allowed hosts. Set debug to false when going live. Sqlite is fine for development and low-traffic sites, but consider Postgres for concurrency and scaling. If something breaks, check settings. Databases, ensure DB. Sqlite 3 file has correct permissions and rerun Python manage. Py migrate, verbosity 3 for detailed output. If migrations fail, roll back the last migration and reapply after fixing the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.